Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, we're going to open up a blank slide, and the next thing you have to do is just insert a circle like this, make it larger. Then what we're going to do is just put it into the middle and center, give it an outline, then give it a shadow. You can use a preset or you can just give it a shadow, whatever the thing you like. So I'm gonna go with a shadow of the 5th number. Basically, when you first give it a preset, and then what you have to do is just when you give it a preset and then the shadow, the preset is removed. So what you have to do is just basically give it a shadow. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just duplicate it and put it right here. Here we go. We are just gonna do what you have to. We're just gonna give it an outline, give it a gradient of different colors. So yeah, let's just give it different colors. Then we're gonna add a title. Then we're just gonna add our text, whatever the text you wanna use. Then we're gonna insert another circle like this. Put a half of rectangle on it, then cut it using fragment option. Close these parts, and the next thing you have to do is just put it right here. Then we're just gonna put it right here, change this color, give it a title. Add stuff like the text and the title. So yeah, we're just basically gonna put the text and other stuff. We're just gonna put other stuff, and we're gonna duplicate the same shape, make copies of it, and then send it to the back. Let's just send the images to the back. So the next thing you have to do is just put it right here. And we're just gonna change the colors. Then we're just gonna add the text and icons if you want. The next thing you have to do is just duplicate your slide. Select all of your other shapes and we're just gonna look at its rotation first. This one, the seventh one. After seeing it, it's like the rotation, what we're gonna do is just give the same rotation to others. So I'm gonna rotate them to exactly 0 degree of rotation. The next thing you have to do is just put all of the other shapes to the back of that shape. Then we're just gonna select these and circle, and we're just gonna increase the size and give both of the templates smooth transition. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe.